In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get Suno AI Premium for basically free. And by that, I mean the price is so low, it might as well be free. And yes, this method is real and working right now. First thing you want to do is click the first link in the description. That'll take you to a trusted platform where you can access discounted subscriptions and sometimes even near-free offers for tools like Netflix, Canva, Spotify, and of course, Suno AI. Once you're on the site, scroll down until you see Suno AI, then click on it. You'll land on the checkout page where everything is clearly shown: how long the subscription lasts, the account type, and the total cost. Before you complete the purchase, make sure you enter the discount code JAAKF in the promo code section and apply it. This part matters because it gives you the maximum discount available. If it's your first time using the platform, you'll need to create a free account. Just sign up with your email and set a password. It takes less than a minute. After the purchase goes through, check your email. You'll receive all the information you need to access Suno AI Premium, either login details or simple setup instructions. Follow those steps and you'll be using Suno AI without paying the full monthly price. If this helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more legit tools and discounts.